welcome back. I'm Gary West. Imagine tapping into a primal source of power within you, one that clears your mind, sharpens your focus, and fuels your body with raw power. This is Dragon's Breath, also known as Lion's Breath in some traditions. Dragon's Breath is a powerful breathing technique that awakens your energy, clears stagnation, and boosts mental clarity. Today, I'll guide you through how to use it, why it works, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Dragon's Breath is a forceful breathing technique that engages your diaphragm and throat to release tension, build inner strength, and increase mental clarity. Unlike traditional breathwork that focuses on calm and relaxation, this technique is all about activation. It stirs up heat in the body, which unblocks stagnant energy and releases suppressed emotions ready to be worked through. Let's break this down so you can follow along. Step 1. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Step 2. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your belly. Step 3. Open your mouth wide, stick your tongue out, and exhale forcefully as if you're exhaling fire. Step 4. Make a sound from deep in your throat. Step 5. Repeat 5 to 10 times in a controlled but powerful rhythm. Dragon's Breath works on both a physical and energetic level. Activates the sympathetic nervous system, instant energy boost. Releases stagnant emotions, clears frustration, anger, and fear. Enhances mental focus, helps you stay sharp and alert. Boosts clarity and inner strength, encourages boldness and courage. This is a breath of power. If you need to reset your energy and step into your full presence, this is the breath for you. Different variations can give you different results. Let's go through a few. Standard Dragon's Breath for energy and power. Best for waking up and breaking out of stagnation. How? Strong exhale with each breath. Silent Dragon's Breath for focus and mindfulness. Best for bringing controlled power into meditation. How? Same breathing but without the sound. Internalizing the energy. Extended Dragon's Breath for deep emotional release. Best for letting go of anger or frustration. How? Hold each exhale slightly longer, visualizing tension leaving the body. Each variation has a unique effect, so experiment to see which one resonates for you. This breathwork isn't just for practice. It is a tool that you can use whenever you need to shift your state. Morning wake up. Supercharge your energy without caffeine. Before a speech or meeting, boost energy and clear your nerves. Before a workout, activate your body for peak performance. After stressful moments, release tension and reclaim focus. During shadow work, break through emotional blocks and limiting beliefs. Dragon's Breath is more than just breathing, it's an activation of your power. This is an intense breath technique, so practice with awareness. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded, then stop. Return to normal breathing. Avoid this practice if you have respiratory conditions, high blood pressure, or are pregnant. The key is to listen to your body and adjust as needed. If you've enjoyed this video, then give it a like and subscribe for more content. Some of these series are coming to an end soon, but don't worry, I've got some great stuff coming. I've also got the 8-week one-to-one sessions, but there are limited spots and they will fill quick. So if you're interested, then please email me at ameliatslifecoaching@gmail.com. See you in the next episode.